Hello guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Yes. But the reason why I say they give her attention, I say no. If not, I'll leave her make the cry. Go cry, cry, cry. I know what she wants. She have a very big problem of insecurity. Yeah. Darling, I'm feeling sleepy. I'll be going to work. Really, darling. She have a very big problem of insecurity. Now, insecurity be the problem which she fight with. She's a very big insecure person. If she see people who get confidence, she's threatened. And she believe the only way which she go fit handle them. Now to they do somebody like me, or people who have the kind of character I have, I don't know. We are too confident for nonsense. We know her. Her nonsense not they push us. It not they do us anything. It make us to laugh. It make us to wonder to say, which kind of mumu person be this one? Which kind of zoo be this one? Do you know that the reason why they bring all those sometimes small past me and they tell now is because of you people, not because of me, or maybe because of the few people we not even know. Una don't know who she be. I know who Atuari be, both physically and spiritually. I know who she is. She's a big attention seeker. Yes. A big sick person. A big sick puppy. Attention seeker. And the attention seeking, the one way good for attention seeking. Attention seeking, where they know they use by force to the sick. But her own, she seek it by force. That is one thing that is bad about her attention seeking. She is seeking your attention, but by force. Just like the way they do Kate for that audio. Now, so if I try, before Kate come out, come see that song where they say, oh, all those songs where come the song when I play live today, where I put a video where she for take do a video where she did dance Ugba Bonelli where she take drunk. When I put Kate's voice or Ketekia voice, answer useless wife voice. The reason why that Ketekia do that video, do you know why? She did it because she dey feel her heat. Now me can come the cry, that can cry. Yeah. And she didn't know the right way to handle Atuari. The right way with the they handle Atuari, anya ngbelele. You know the nyangbe they follow one. The way they nyangbe, you say you want nyangbe follow one like that. I be say you don't want to win her. One. Number two, they know they carry juju. Make sure you are not a juju person, you go win her. If you not be juju person. Yes. And make sure your hands are clean. I see him. I go open it just now. Make sure, say your hands are clean. That can take care of that video. Make sure your hands are clean. If your hand not clean, you no go fit. Yes. Una see all the cry where she dey cry so. Tears where she dey tears wey full everywhere so. We be say tears for her where she dey cry for Rita matter. Na jealousy. Na she dey Rita. Jealousy. Atuari is one person who really want to see herself being my friend. Having one common something to do with her. I'm telling you people. She's desperately looking for my attention. Eh? Desperately. She's so desperate for my attention that she wants me, a whole me, as big as I am, by the special grace of God. I go come the answerable to mumu woman like her. Person wey no get sense. So that what she use Kate to do for live video, she go use me to do. That's why ugbera wu ne vigbe me. Ugbera wu. Ugbera wu. Anu wu ugbera ne. Wopa ve iwe. Why is there so wu? We are so wu. We live video now. The more you try to spoil my name, the more beautiful I am. The more confidence I get. The more money I make. The more joy I have. The more beautiful family God bless me with. The more you they try, say, make I try, make I spoil the name. If you even know, say, people where they watch you, they know you more than yourself. Like I said before, you are only for entertainment. Again, we're not allowed there. Hey, man, I take away to be human being. Not be now gay. This time around, I you were bogie. Ogia is you were yagbe. If you don't know it, you have to know. Emma, then me watch you only be bogie, you may topic. You can have it discuss anyway. Yes. How is you were yag bogie? I don't get topic, I me I just talk about that moment. Now person can carry your matter for granted, say you want to talk. Even we tagi me no woman. Unless someone on my way. Unless person wey not know himself. Now waiting you they talk. Go even do like this. It go even move. It may make a chakaraju winner. Not be saying a joke, they make chakara on top of your head. This my Facebook way they give me money so. If you not see the way they pay now. If they pepper. If they pay now where. Say why this Facebook they give her money. Why vie gbegboa. Why is a vie who gbegboa you want me. You know it. And I know it. Say me mo kan agbo ohun. Ogbo ohun wason. Ogbo ohun wavan. Ogbo ohun wuye. Now me they give that injection where they make you mad. Eh? Ya iriye no ene guti. Wa so. I never pack you, go throw you for those bin the way your friend take pack you, go throw you. Me I still use you do small cruise. Before I'll pack you, wrap you, go carry one dustbin, go dump you inside the ammo if you way. No ya vie here for life. No ya so. No ayo bo jalo for ne ve gboe. Na gboe you hu evi. Yes, get where go reach, I go wrap you, but not be now. I will just still wrap you. If I wrap you finish, I'll go throw away you. For inside that's what when I feel kiss and for why sweat the degbe. The way you dissuade the degbe so. Attention seeking attitude the way. Ogungbe. Your attention seeking attitude is too much. If to say the kind of background where you get, like some module when I play this afternoon. Now another person get that kind of dirty background. A Facebook or now, you go and don't have your big women with big women. Don't have a ramu your tona way. Don't have your yamwe kore or namugi or joy. If to send another person go carry belly come for us, I can't carry and give you husband. If to send another person that they DNA matter inside life, he go talk for where you take. He go talk for where you dig. Otani no way like he was so ava. Don't have if to send another person, all this dirty way just for your body. If to send another person, all this dirty fully body. If I see the talk for where you dig. You too slow. Now when I just look and say, me, I can't use you take cash cruise for my people. Now they carry your matter come out because your matter, you know hear what you have to tell me today. He say matter what be where platform no need. Ah, na ite matter where. Imag we aguji hwe. Why is there so you win? In we wa aguji. Ati we wa win. Wa aguji hwe. My matter, it go make you wuji hwe. Yes. We are hwe. E manu wete hwe. Ah mi ogiebu no ya we no mwen ni Rita me ami ogiebu no. Why si akon gbave na himani hu mi amenza. Why si akon gbave na hu imani hu be mi ame. They know they even see smile for una mat. That what God done with je. Which kind of husband as you they will they not they see smile for you. More that for when they who where. If they even they get time till they even they do you. If they even they get time till even till they fuck you because of immunere. Eh? Because of saga will Rita, your boy. Eh? Your mother just tell you say you the saga Rita. You the saga yourself. Oh. Saga. You are making yourself more dirty every day. You are making yourself more stupid every day. Also, now be be kind you see your top. Yeah, we are bolu. Eh? I greet you, my darling people. Yeah, we are bolu. The more you dey try say, make I for Rita, make I for Rita, make I for Rita. Now you dey for yourself. And you dey for yourself hand more and more and more and more and more and more and more. I so you Rita who wasted time. I too know you. If to say na person wey no know you now, you for say hey, this person, he may on work be. He work be like be no heke no age. Na person wey settle down know you na e be. E mu we the Facebook na, obi e here you know. You see your matter for this live video. Obi e get 20 net chocolate. Na it can be. Uge de na yaga gunge imi. Ija ege weni. I know who you be. Your talky, you don't get what you want to somebody like me. Why is it a lot? A doctor out the imoto. We have the better visual. Why is it you ere? Utobo wek big boa. Venera big bewa. That is the thing you will do to yourself. For my sake. You know, see and say, if I dey talk to you now, all confidence I take to talk to you. Because I know. And I dey look you like the small picking where you be. I dey look you like junior under me. If you whether na a junior, or to me big junior. That's why I take they look you. That's why I take they look you. I dey look you like junior. I dey look you like one person where be say, vomo bogbu we VA. It by force I got attention. So, Ritoto people, because I don't already promise say I go come out. That make me come out and don't go. This video when I play, that's more the way I play for una. So I will analyze and finish tomorrow. May I go sleep, may I go relax. Atwari, I give you me. When we mamu me, who we so bo keka. You know we mamu me. Ihe we na homozu. I they look you like mumu. Na true now they tell you. And people where they fall for you, they look them like mumu too. Because iyaga I am no capable no we spiritually even them in Facebook na. Again with your body, we can make that okay them in social media na. Iyana. And the worst part of it, all these people, which one you never even follow first for inside? And they ask you a question. Ekboli eke character where they use ekboli eke the facts to they work am well than Facebook una do. Una work with Facebook for the first time where you come out. I bet you don't know. Now you feel carry matter come live video. Now you feel content you what say you not supposed to they do a job where they do. Isira vivera wokaso yangbi. E lolo no se we wokaso no se we nede wokaso igbi. Everybody. Now only you the carry wahala matter up and down ya se wu ya sagbada ka ere nu fian wo you e dokpa e live video na wa total wa de BP gbo you win live video. Yes. Take it or leave it. BP go destroy you on top of this social media. When live video wa de bobolo wa wu fu abo be eden. It is your portion because now waiting you they wish other people na be that one. I am just laughing today. I did something. I saw Ketekia live video. I just spit on my telephone screen, thinking she was in front of me. Really? I don't. Why is there a partition work? You will do yourself. Do. One day you will see yourself. You will just fall down on top of this live video. A partition will kill you on top. Take it or leave it. A partition. It will kill you because of a winner for live video. Stress will kill you. I be big fish at worry. I will not be easy for you to swallow. And you can never and never and ever swallow a person like me. Wa gbe zanzan. Ugbe gbuhun. Ugbe. Ugbobo. Ugbowe. Na ibi. Me stress egbe ye matter we. Your matter for me. Na butter. Ide on. I know the stress body for your matter. Because I know they use this money to feed those band. I know they use that and feed anybody. You see, it's my own money where I just they say extra. Make big your weji. So now somebody like you, now they swallow medicine because of Facebook. A doctor partition with a hearty winning. You go enlarge past the way supposed to enlarge big rich. For in winner, you will just fall down. You will make buckle and you will give it up the ghost for no reason. In the quest of may I pursue them. Somebody says, okay, an assistant, and you was say cause their fight. Who caused them before? Understand what take your safe problem in this matter. Some people, when they ask some kind of question, we be say, una say what be that one problem for this matter. Una don't know what they go on for Facebook. More una leave and make it they do. Or they worry by